Riri thukuru itanyitwo kuhingurwo muthi wa mwambiririo kiumia giukite. Thirikari ni irutite mukaana kuri ene thukuru cia andu kiumbe aria matanyite gucokia arutwo a grade ya kana thukuru. Akiaria thukuru-ini wa anake wa starehe guku Nairobi, Minister wa githomo George Magoha augite arutwo aya meguthii nambere guikara mucii kinyagia mweri wa mugwanja.
I've never been on the parent side, but this time I'm on their side. Don't pay any money to anybody. But if you dare to do so, if you are a private school and you dare to do so, ask yourself where you got your license from.
Magoha augite itua riri riakinyanirio ni anyiti itemi othe ruhonge-ini rwa githomo akiuria honge ciothe guthingata watho.
That education stakeholders group had all the private school owners there. They were represented, including the international school owners, whom I also believe are here.
Arutwo acio age othe magacokereria mathomo thiini wa tamu ya gatatu na ya muthia kwambiriria muthi wa mwambiririo kiumia giukite.
And you can still hear a little noise here and there saying, oh, so you should wait. And my friend, I like the president because he makes decisions and he moves by them. We shall open on Monday. And as far as we follow the Ministry of Health protocols, the rest we leave to God, isn't it?
Mehariria makahingura magithiaga nambere. Thirikari ni irikitie gutuma makiria ma ciringi bilioni 7 kuri arugamiriri a mathukuru riri kigina makiria gitanyitwo kurekererio gukinyeria muthia wa kiumia giukite.
We have requested the third term 13 billion for secondary schools and 2.8 billion for primary schools. And I think this money should be available towards the end of next week.
Maya magithiaga nambere. Mihang'o ya kumaka igeranio cia KCSE ni irikireire muthenya wa umuthi maumirira magitanyo ihinda o riothe kwambiriria kiumia giukite.
There should be no rumors as to when the exam results will be ready. They will be ready when they are ready. So give us a break.
Magoha ni atariria ati wona thukuru ciacokereria arutani ni megukorwo na wira muingi amu mehariria makigeranio gia KCPE na KCSE kia mwaka wa 2021-2022 gifatie gukorwo gikiharirio.
So in order for us to claw back the time that we lost, it means we expect you to continue to sacrifice yourself. Not for anybody, you are sacrificing for your country and your own children.
Ihinda-ini riu arutani aria matari maramukira njanjo ya king'uki gia corona ni moritio guthii nambere kugia no ukiririria amu thirikari ni ratanya gukorwo yamukirite njanjo makiria gukinyeria muthia wa mweri ukite. Kinyagia riu ario arutani 142 624 marikitie kwamukira njanjo eno. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.